The art of cooking, a journey through flavor and creativity. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic, the art of cooking. This phrase is not just about preparing food. It's about the creativity, skill, and passion that goes into cooking. Let's explore what makes cooking an art and how it enriches our lives. So, grab your apron, and let's get started. The art of cooking refers to the skill and creativity involved in preparing food. Cooking is more than following recipes. It's about understanding flavors, textures, and techniques. It's a form of expression, much like painting or music. This section will delve into how cooking can be a creative outlet and a way to express oneself. Just as a painter uses colors, a cook uses ingredients to create a masterpiece. This section will focus on how selecting the right ingredients, understanding their flavors, and combining them innovatively is essential in the art of cooking. We'll explore how simple ingredients can be transformed into something extraordinary. Every great artist has a set of techniques. In cooking, techniques like chopping, sautéing, or baking are crucial. This part of the video will demonstrate some essential cooking techniques and explain how mastering these can elevate your cooking to an art form. The presentation of food is just as important as its taste. This section will show you how to plate your dishes beautifully, turning them into visual feasts. We'll provide tips on color contrasts, composition, and adding final touches to make your dishes look as good as they taste. Cooking is deeply rooted in culture. Here, we'll explore how different cultures have influenced cooking styles and how traditional dishes have evolved into modern culinary art. We'll take a brief journey around the world through its flavors. We hope this video has inspired you to see cooking as an art form. Remember, cooking is not just about feeding the body, it's about feeding the soul and expressing your creativity. So, next time you're in the kitchen, think of yourself as an artist creating a masterpiece. Happy cooking, and see you in our next video.